Welcome to this edition of ABI's Quick Bit video series. I'm Lisa Fox with ABI, here with David Strege with Syverson Strege Companies, a sister company to Transition Point Business Advisors. And companies are compensating their employees differently all the time, and they're looking for avenues to really retain those top performers. And a lot of them are providing stock-based incentives. And I'm told that there are ways that you can acknowledge those when you are paying your income taxes. So can you talk about some of the strategies that you guys advise?
Most stock-based compensation is going to come to the employee as taxed as ordinary income.
Okay.
So whether it's restricted stock, whether it's performance shares, or what's called a non-qualified option, when the value or the benefit comes to the employee, essentially it's earned income. Now the only item that normally is not taxed as ordinary income is going to be what's called an incentive stock option. So if you use the example that most of them are going to be earned income, there can be years where your taxable income pushes you into a higher tax bracket. When that occurs, one of the tools you want to consider is pooling or combining your charitable gifts into that high tax bracket year. Now you can use like a donor advised fund. There's many of those tools or providers available. So now what that does is you build up and get a higher tax deduction because your percentage is higher.
Okay.
Now you get to choose in future years of what charities you wanted to distribute to and how much you want to distribute in those years. But you're getting some additional tax savings by combining that into that 1 year.
So what I hear when you're talking is I need a really good advisor sitting next to me to tell me these things, because you don't know what you don't know. And you don't know when to ask those questions.
Then you have to project out more than just the current year. You have to look out many years, and is this your best year to combine some of these strategies together?
And don't do it accidentally.
Correct.
So, yeah. Great advice. Thanks to David Strege and all the folks here at Syverson Strege and Transition Point Business Advisors for all you do, not only for business across the state, for ABI and the Advisory Council. So thanks so much for being here today.
Thank you, Lisa.